Hey, in this video, I want to share with you if you ever get this message when you're trying to do an SSH remotely into a machine, that somebody's doing something nasty, what to do about it. If you're getting the nastygram, follow this. It's quick. You can clear it out and get rid of it immediately. So let me show you how to do that. I try to SSH into this machine and I get this warning: remote host identification has changed. It's possible you may be hacked. Well, while that is actually true, most of the time, if you're doing this like I am in a test lab, then you probably have actually used that IP address sometime in the past, and you've used SSH as well, and you accepted that there was a key that was part of it so that it would remember it in the past. And because of that, it's still in the file that's called, in my case, userscottmoore.ssh/known host. So it's a known host that has been there before, and that's what that actually means. So if you really want to solve that problem, just take a note of IP address, and there is a wonderful little command here that you need to know. It's called SSH-keygen -R, which means remove the entry for that particular IP address that I'm actually going to. And this could be true for if you're using like a DNS name, like something server.test.lab or whatever, and you can clear it out as well. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, it found those entries and it cleared them. Now we're going to actually rerun the command to try to SSH in. Now it's asking me, do I want to accept this fingerprint key, right? Because now it doesn't have an entry in the log, and we're going to say yes. And now we're into the machine. It may take a couple of seconds. It may seem like it's going to hang the first time that you connect to the machine after you accepted that key, but it will work. Hope that helps you guys. Have fun with it. If you like this kind of content, maybe like the video, subscribe to my channel would be great. Check out my playlist and check out my website, scottmoore.consulting. We share all kinds of this stuff with our subscribers and our community, and it'd be great to have you as part of that. So till the next video, we'll see you then.